This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera Pro mode on this device. So to start, you will obviously have to launch the default camera app itself, then scroll the modes menu to the more section, and in here you can, enter the Pro mode. While at it, basically the Pro mode is the camera mode or feature that allows you to manually change values for such parameters as ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus, or white balance. So if you would like to gain more manual control over the pictures that you take, you can just go ahead and enter and use the camera Pro mode. So that would be basically it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.